Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm here doing a video. I went to my local Toys R Us and Target. I found a couple good stuff. Wish I could find treasure hunts, but it was not my luck today. First one I got was the 57 Chevy. I got this one in that purple. It's the first time I got this one right here, so it's okay. It don't look that bad. I have the 92 Ford Mustang, the green. I believe I got another one of these. I just probably want to open this one. Probably change the rims on it. It looks cool. The other one is the 2007 Ford Mustang green. The 69 Ford Mustang, also green. The interior looked pretty cool. I got two of these. It's kind of weird how you got a whole bunch of green Mustangs. You see? Also have two of the 67 Chevy C10. It's plastic, metal body. It looks nice. It's one to open. I have the red one on this, the Volkswagen Beetle. That looks pretty cool right there. The 57 Chevy Bel Air Greaser on black, flat black. I already got this one, but just to open and customize that one. I have the Mad Pros. That looks pretty cool. Look at that. Those temples look sweet. The Cloud Cutter. Already got the gray one with the white wheels or clear wheels. I just had to buy this one just to get them both. These, I got three of these. A 71 Dodge Demon. They're regular. I already got the Super when I went to K-Day. My daughter got lucky and she got the Super treasure on this one. These are only the regular ones. It's one to open. It looks pretty cool. Maybe one to trade. If y'all want to trade, let me know. I got some other stuff from K-Day if y'all want to trade. These are Gillette Lightnings, and okay, let me see. Let me show you what it says first. Let me see if it's it won't focus. Oh, there it goes. 1981 Cherry Citation X11. Okay, but it's Camaro Z28. And oh, I love Camaros. That looks sexy too. Open hood. Too bad the door doesn't open, but it would be sweet too. It would have. And another Camaro. Look at that. Sweet. Look at that. Y'all cannot say that looks sexy. Number 13. Look at that. That's from Greenlight. But I really want to open this one so bad, but it's in the wrong card. I don't know, should I open it or leave it like this? Leave a comment and tell me what y'all think. Peace out.